Inserting a table in Word 2019 is similar to inserting an Excel spreadsheet into Word. However, it's a little bit simpler, easier to use, and it's fairly customizable. So if we see here that we've got the year and the sales information, it doesn't always appear the way we want it, whereas if we add a table, it organizes it a little better, makes it look nice. So we'll go to where it says Insert, and we'll choose Table. And now we want to choose how many columns and rows that we have. So we see 1 by 1, 2 by 1, or 1 by 2, whatever we want. So in this case, we see we have 2 columns and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. So I'm going to go 2 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. So now what I can do is I can copy or cut and paste my information into each of those columns and rows. And now we see all of the years and the sales that are in our table. But what if we get to 2021 and we want to add another one? Well, it's pretty easy. You just click all the way to the right side of whatever the last number is in the last column and row and just hit the Tab key. And look at that. It makes a whole new set of columns and rows that match what we've already done. So I can put in 2021, and I could put in whatever the dollar amount is. Let's say we had a really big year. There we go. We also have some other cool options. If you click in the upper left-hand corner, it selects all of the different text and the table information, and we can do some interesting things, such as we can delete the table that we did, or we can hit the drop down and delete specific cells or rows or columns, that kind of thing. We can also go into Insert, Above or Below, etc. So I'll do an Insert Above. There we go, and it just duplicated my table all together. Let's say you didn't mean to do that. You just wanted to add a specific amount of rows. Just go ahead and left-click your mouse, drag over the ones that you want to get rid of, right-click, go back to where it says Delete, and choose Delete Cells. And we want to shift the cells up in this particular case. And now those cells have been shifted up. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of all of them. So I'll do that one more time. Go to Delete, Delete Cells, shift cells up, and now we're back to where we were. And I can do the same thing on the bottom as well if I want. Let's select that little left box again, and we can see we can do things like increasing the size of the font or decreasing. We can change the colors, and now we see it's blue. We have some other things that we can change as well, such as we can use the Format Painter, we can use text highlighting, bold, change the font, etc. We can even add numbers or bullet points. So lots of different things we can do with our table after we add in all the information. And that's how we add in and customize a table in Word 2019.